Before you drag that shoemaking tools and say, this business no dey pay, let's talk. Because it might not be the business, it might be you. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tineye. In today's video, we'll be talking about 7 mistakes that make shoemakers lose money. Because I've been there, I don't want you to make such mistake. So let's dive into the video. Number one mistake, not pricing your work properly. See some of you charge like you are afraid of your customers. You are charging 5K for a slippers that took you a whole day to make. Are you Father Christmas? See, when you underprice your product, you are telling your customers that you don't value your skill and you can't sustain your business on petty pricing. Before you attach price to that product, cost your materials, your time, your energy, even the sewing needle that pricked you while you were working. Yes, cost that too. Number two mistake, ignoring branding and presentation. How do you make beautiful shoes and you package them in biscuit nylon? See the way you present your product, the way you package your product determines the kind of value that people will place on it. Invest in proper packaging items like gift boxes, quality bags, drawstring bags, could be cotton or leather drawstring bags, labels and stickers. I remember when I started out, I just put my products in, it was the usual nylons that you see out there. But it got to a point and I know that I really need to upgrade. I had to print nylon that has my logo, my address, my my details, my contact details. It also got to a stage where I was like, okay, we need to start making packaging boxes. I remember then I had to order all the way from Aba because I couldn't see anyone then that can make one for me in Abakaliki. There was also a stage it got to and I was like, okay, why don't we have labels that we can attach to our products? So these are the ways you can package your product. So anyone you can be able to do at a particular point in time, please make sure to do it to present your products. These things add value to your products and makes your customers appreciate your products more in addition to the quality that you provide for them. If you have time, you can make these things yourself at home. I have video on this channel on how to create drawstring bags, and I also have another video on how I brand my handmade products at home. I'll be dropping it in the description box, so feel free to check it out, okay? Number 3 mistake, not knowing your target market. Let me tell you, you can't be making Ankara wedges and you are marketing it to tech bros on Twitter. My sister, who is your target customer? Know who you are selling to and where to find them. Say your design appeal to working class women. Show up where they are. It could be on Facebook groups, Instagram, WhatsApp broadcast list. Don't be shy to show up where your target customer is. Number 4, no record keeping. You are keeping business profits together with personal money. This one is a silent killer. Running a kind of business where you don't keep record of sales and expenses and every single money enter your personal bank account is very risky. Before you know what is happening, you've removed 5K and use it to eat suya. And you then forget that you are here to pay Mr. Linus, your leather supplier. Separate your personal and business finances. Possibly create different accounts for them. It doesn't have to be business account. Just make sure that you separate them and keep record of every money that comes in and goes out. Okay. Number 5 mistake, doing everything yourself. You are the designer, the producer, the marketer, the delivery man, even the customer service. At a time, you will burn out and your business will suffer. Yes, I know I always tell people to start small, but why you start small, think systems. What can you do differently to make the job faster and keep making more money? Can you outsource delivery? Can you schedule social media posts with free tools? Can your younger sister handle packaging? Do you need to employ more hands to help with production of footwear? Think about ways you can make things to be easier and faster for you so that you don't lose money on the table. So a quick story. When we started out, I used to say, I don't want another person to handle my products. I'll be the only one making the footwears. I don't want anything that is going to affect the quality of my products or the trust that my customers have for me. I remember I was telling someone this was just smiling at me. Fast forward to a few months later, when we finally launched our offline store. Hey, almost others choked. See, in 1 week, we were not able to handle the order we got on the day we launched our offline stores. And that was when I realized that, girl, you need more hands. I can't be the only one to go to the market to buy materials. And I'm the only one creating patterns. And I'm the only one cutting leather materials. And I'm the only one cutting soles. I'm the only one applying gum. I'm the only one making the footwears, doing the sewing and everything. Remember all the process involved in creating a particular pair. You are the one doing the cleaning, doing the polishing, how far do you think you can go? So you need extra hands. You do need help, okay? At some point in your business, maybe when you started, maybe only you can handle it. But as time goes on, you will definitely need help with some of these things. Number six, poor customer follow up. Some shoemakers don't understand the need to follow up a customer after purchase. They just move on. But guess what? That one customer is a potential repeat buyer or even your next brand ambassador. A simple "Hello sir, hope you like your order" or "Hello ma, hope the slippers fit well" can go a long way. A satisfied customer can bring you three more customers, and that's money on the table. Number seven, you don't believe in your craft well enough. See, if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect others to believe in you? Not to talk of paying for your products. Market your products with confidence and let others know what they are missing if they don't buy from you. Present your products with so much value and people will be willing to pay more for it. So there you have it. I hope that these mistakes don't cheat you out of the money that your talent deserves. Let me know in the comment section which of these mistakes you've made. No judgment, please. We are all growing. And if you want to level up your shoe making skills, I have detailed online course on Seller to guide you. I'll also drop the link in the description box, so feel free to check it out. Okay, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to any creative out there who want to stop losing money and start making impact. I'll see you in another video.
Hey there. Just before you go, I thought to let you in on something exciting. I now have online courses on footwear designing and bag making that you can take right from the comfort of your home. These courses contain step-by-step videos of over 40 minutes of value that will guide you through making beautiful slides, sandals, and stylish bags, even if you are a complete beginner. I have been making footwears for over 3 years now, and bag making for about a year. In that time, I have taught hundreds of students both online and off the know just how to craft, but how to monetize their skills. So if you've been watching my videos and thinking, I'd love to do this too, this is your chance. I will leave the link to the courses in the description box below. Go check it out. You just might be starting something amazing.